In the Victorian era, a woman's hair was much more than just a style. It was a symbol of her beauty, status, and femininity. The longer and fuller, the better. Women grew their hair out and styled it into intricate updos, but many used hair rats, cushions made from their own shed hair, to achieve the perfect shape. Letting your hair down in public? Absolutely scandalous. Only actresses or models would dare, and even then, it was for artistic purposes. For most women, loose hair was something private, shared only with their husband or maid. For upper-class women, hair was a marker of beauty and desirability. For the poor, long hair was a burden, often sold for extra cash. But no matter the class, the key was clean, shiny, and perfectly styled hair to maintain that ideal silhouette. Could you imagine living by these strict standards? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.